came to playing this game, I'd be expected to use the mouse pad, but no, you're supposed to hit the letters on the keyboard here in order to get something. See, why couldn't they have that for the other activities instead of the yay, you did it bit? Well, because all the other activities are just about the same with this here. The clapping for you, and not just the Einsteins. I think it's good maybe once in a while, just with the motif, but all the time, you know, after a while, it just becomes tiresome and not really as funny. Okay, now here's something I've wanted to do quite some time. Preparation for this. Oh, come on. I could spell different words, but not H? Like they're trying to censor this here. No. Vowels or bowels? It's so slow to respond. I get it. Ren. So boring. I think it's one of these here. Oh.
It's Sniffles and Snookums.